It's Debbie here. I'm here with another fit food review. I love doing these because I love to find different fit foods that fit in my, healthy lifestyle. So here we go. Now this I got at Burlington. This is all gone. This is matcha. This is so good. Ginger matcha latte, and I love having this with plant milk. So this is so good. Sometimes I like having it straight, but it was really good with plant milk. And some stevia. This is so good and healthy. Matcha is ground green tea leaves, so this is very good. And Vans, I love the Vans products. I got this on markdown from Kroger. So Vans products are very good, very good. There's the info. And this is dark chocolate, is very nutritious with antioxidants. And this was different. This was burnt caramel. This was very good. Again, marked down at Kroger. Here's the nutritionals. Very good. And this I talked about the 3D Energy. This is the not 3D, the V8 Energy Sparkling Blackberry Cranberry. I saw that other brand on social media just a few minutes ago. That's why it was in my head. But that has too much caffeine for me. But I love the V8 Energy. Now this is the sparkling version. Has some carbonation, so this was yum. And not too much sugar, not too much caffeine, just right for me. Because I'm sensitive to caffeine. So this is very good. Oh, here's the caffeine info. Next we have, these crackers were good. The Gratify, gluten-free. These were good. There was a markdown at what store was that? Rite Aid. Here's the info. Those are good. I love Annie's everything. I said, let me try these. Let me try these. Her fruit snacks. All her stuff is good. I love these. These are delicious. I was gonna let the boys that I watch try these, but I ate them all. Sorry guys. And these are good. These are generic Ritz crackers. Not bad, not bad. They're a little too salty for me, but other than that, they're okay. Now, these are really good. Oh, here's a little pouch. Here's a little pouch. These were delicious. These are healthier versions of Cheetos. Very good. Nutritionals are right for me. And another one of these. These are all marked down at Kroger. I love these little meal kits. These were good. I added extra stuff like carrots and I think ground beef or ground turkey. It comes with a little meal card. It's cute. I don't really need this. But these are good. So these wouldn't be accurate for me because I added stuff. And this is suggestions. I did it my own way. Those were good. I love those. And this risotto was really good. It was delicious. I think a little too high in sodium. Yeah, too high in sodium for me. But I added, I can't remember what I had with it. But it was just something to try. And it was on markdown too. So I want to try that. But I won't be getting that again. Too high in sodium. But it tastes good though. And I like these meal kits. These are good. I love these taco kits. Sometimes I add my own. Sometimes I use different meats. I use the. Sometimes I use lamb, ground turkey. What else? The meatloaf mix, which is ground pork and ground beef. And these are just. This had the seasoning. But if they don't have the seasoning, I have my own Mexican type seasonings. So these were good. And I use crumple on top of the tacos. I need to put that on Instagram. I use crumpled a salad mix. So that was really good. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a good evening.